Do you think I'm spooky?
Be afraid. Be very afraid. What have you done to its eyes?
Good evening, and welcome to Soft and Spooky. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing a haul that I did on the brand JadisRad. If you are curious where to purchase this brand, you can find it on Etsy as well as their own website called JadisRad.com. I personally found them through Etsy because I love exploring Etsy for custom horror content, and they 100% deliver. What I really appreciate about this brand is that they use very minimal packaging, so I can kind of just get it all in one package and not have to kind of create excess waste, as well as their delivery time is kind of surprising. Like, when I order something from Etsy, I order it with the confidence that it'll take at least a month to arrive. And the fact that this ships so quickly, I mean, I think it shipped within like a week and a half. And I thought that was really impressive. It might have been within a week, if I'm thinking about it. But yeah, I love this brand, and I think they make really cool content. They have a ton of different things that you can buy. There are beanies, patches. You can even get like tank tops and t-shirts, and my personal favorite are the raglan crop top t-shirts. But yeah, definitely feel free to explore their website. I'm going to link it down in the description, as well as I think I might do a pinned comment of the links, and feel free to check them out. Alright, so first thing up is something that was in the very original purchase that I made from their Etsy shop, and it is the Predator Raglan tee. So this one, as soon as I saw it, I had to buy it because I love the Predator movies. I think they are so fun. The original one is my all-time favorite. I love the humor in it. I love these over-the-top characters. It's like just such an iconic movie. You can even probably recognize some of the memes from it if you haven't watched it, but wow. I love this movie, and so I had to have it, and I love the fact that it has the 87 No Time to Bleed tour on it, so it's like a little reference to the characters, and I think it fits really nicely too. It's just all around a great purchase. So yeah, I ended up buying another one of these so that I could have one to wear to the gym and get all gross, and then the other one I'll just wear to be cute. Another purchase that I made before this one was the Evil Dead raglan crop tee. So this is from Evil Dead 2, and I think this might actually be my favorite one. I have to rewatch both of the originals just because, yeah, I'm not sure I could decide. But Bruce Campbell in Evil Dead 2 is just at his best with the comedic timing and like the stunts that he does. He's just so great, and I love having something with that on it. It's just a batshit movie, and I love it so much. So I decided to switch it up and get the red sleeves on this one, and I really like it. After that, I love the design on this one. I think it just looks so badass. This is for Hellraiser, and it is their Legendary Suffering tour. That's so good. Like, that is a wonderful design, and it looks kind of like a metal band or like a hair metal band. Yeah, so this is actually a play on the font for the band Motorhead, and for some reason I just did not recognize it immediately, so yeah, it's for Motorhead.
Motorhead! Oh, what do they teach in this place?
Next up is, I'm kind of like embarrassed to show the condition that it's in. I got a shirt to wear to the gym. And I got a size small, but I kind of wish that I would have gotten like a large, so it was that nice, like, kind of long, baggy t-shirt that I could wear with shorts. And then I washed it, and now I didn't remove it from the dryer right away, and it just is so wrinkly. But this is my exercise shirt. Like, I really appreciate this one so much because it's got Reagan from The Exorcist, and she's in her little jazzercise outfit. And it says exercise. Like exercise, but also like exercise. I thought that was so cool. and I really wish it didn't look so bad. I need to run an iron over it, but yeah, this is one of the t-shirts. I definitely would size up if you are bigger in the hips, because I have bigger hips and this kind of gets like a little tight around there. And I wish I had a large. That would have fit perfectly, and then I could almost like shrink it a little so it's nice. Yeah. But yeah, I'm sorry for the way it looks, but I love this shirt. And then last from the previous order, you will actually have seen in, I think it was my Knock at the Cabin review, in the second part of it, I wore my Raglan T Burn Book shirt. It is the Burn Book of the Dead, so it is a reference to Evil Dead. And Mean Girls, like, I had to have it. I thought that was so clever and so cute, and I love the pink. I think it's kind of fun. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of this one. Along with that, they also sent some stickers, and the stickers are really cool too. I have such a hard time committing to stickers because I want to place them on things, but then I think, oh, I should have put it on something else better, but I don't know. So these are the stickers that I got. We have Never Sleep, Elm Street, and it's got Freddy Krueger, Da Boy. We also have this really cool Scream one. Look at that! It's got Casey Becker on it, and then JadisRad is the website, if you didn't know. And we have Ghostface. Oh, that looks so cool. We also have Halloween, and it's sort of like this distressed design, so you can see like the night he came home. It's almost like a mashup of the covers, and yeah. So that's that one. And then we also got Exercise as a sticker, and I kind of want to put this on a water bottle. It's just that commitment, man. And I'm worried that it's going to get like peeled up and then like going through the dishwasher, and I'll be pissed at myself. So yeah, that is it for the previous order. And let's get into the new one. I didn't even take it out of the bag. Oh, I got scared that I was showing my address. So this is how it comes. Like, look at how perfectly packed that is. I appreciate you. Way to pack. This is so satisfying. Let me go ahead and pull some of these out. First item up. Ooh, we got a bunch of stickers too. Oh, I had to get this because Child's Play is my favorite franchise, and look at Chucky. He is so cute. This one, I remember the t-shirt is called Loverboy. I just think it's so funny. So you got Chucky there, and then he has a little candy box, or like a heart box of candy for Tiffany. It has a little Tiffany sign on there. And he's got some roses and a little heart on his overalls. I love this so much. I think it's so cute. Okay, so this is the color one that they had for Evil Dead. And it has the Deadite on it. And then we also have like the original artwork. I do wish it was a little bit more vivid for the poster artwork that they had. But you can still tell what it is. And it says, can they be stopped? And rated R, and video and movie guide, 4 stars. And I love the Evil Dead franchise, so I thought that this was such a fun shirt. And I love that you get that creepy little Deadite looking at people when I'm out and about. So I appreciate it. We got ourselves another pink one. And I am so upset with myself that I didn't wear this for my Scream video. We have What's Your Favorite Scary Movie? And it's in this like cute little kawaii style with like the pink phone and stars around it. It is so cute. And I like how simplistic it is. It's just, I think it's super fun. And I love the pink. I love pink. Oh, this one. Okay. So I thought this would be fun just to wear in general, because I do have a lot of things that have like an accent bright green color. Like I have a bright green beanie, and I thought this would look so good with it. Just says horror. It's kind of, I think it's supposed to be reminiscent of the style from Blockbuster, the little horror stickers that they would use. Hey friends, just wanted to pop in here really quickly because I am spiraling into insanity. Okay. I was trying to find a picture of these stickers at an actual Blockbuster location, and when I searched for the horror section for Blockbuster, I could not find these green horror stickers anywhere. And now I'm beginning to question, did they ever actually exist in the stores? Because the only places that I can find these stickers or pictures of these stickers are from Etsy or like handmade websites where people made them themselves and they're not actually associated with Blockbuster. So did these actually exist? I need you guys to let me know in the comments because I am questioning myself real bad right now. I like that it's also pretty simplistic design, so I can kind of not feel like self-conscious trying to match it, because I don't know, I have a hard time matching clothing together unless it's just like black with an accent color. Oh, which is what this is. So I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, I'm excited. Ooh, okay, this one is so fun. And I feel like I saw a couple hats with this on it, or at least maybe from other shops, but I definitely have seen this design before and I really like it. It says Final Girl, and I love the design. It's also in that Friday the 13th font style, so I think that's really fun. And yeah, I like how vibrant this is, and I love the red with the red, and it's just a really fun shirt. I had to get another Chucky one. This says Friends Till the End, and I love that it's in that like kind of blocky lettering, sort of like childlike, and I love that quote from the movie. I also love when Andy says, "This is the end, friend," and I actually have that tattooed on me. So I had to get this shirt. I thought it was so fun. Okay, so this one I'm very interested to see how it fits because I did get a large size t-shirt and it is the last item of my haul, and it is an alien t-shirt. Oh man, the design on this one I think is unparalleled, and I love that it has the tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream," because I think that is such an iconic line, or like a tagline for a movie. So yeah, I had to get this one, and I love that they kind of like superimposed skeleton face. They put skulls over everybody's character, and I think that's so interesting and unique, and I love that you see the xenomorph here. It's just so cool. And it does look like the large is big, like very, very big, but I think I can make this work. I think so. So I will definitely be wearing that. And yeah, so that is it for the clothes haul, and I did just want to share some of the stickers that came with this second order. I guess there's like a second brand that's associated with this called Rad Custom Tees. So I guess you can actually submit your design to radcustomtees.com and you can have like your own design put on a t-shirt. Very cool. I actually might check that out at some point. Maybe get some soft and spooky merch. So it does look like I got a duplicate of the Never Sleep sticker, and that actually gives me the peace of mind that I can finally put a sticker on something, because at least I have 2 of these. So I'm gonna probably put this on a water bottle or something. I feel like that's so fun. But yeah, we have another Never Sleep sticker. And then this one is so unsettling looking to me. They actually morphed all of the different characters, like little slices of each character. It's so creepy. So we have Freddy Krueger at the top with his little peanut head, and then we have Pinhead, and then we have Chucky for the eyes, which I think is the most unsettling part. I really hate it. And then we have Leatherface. It was hard for me to tell. So Leatherface is the nose, and then we have Michael Myers as the mouth, and then Jason Voorhees as the chin. So fun! So creepy! And then the last sticker, I need to find out if they have this on the website in a t-shirt design because I will buy it. They have a ghost face design and it looks so cool. They have Ghostface with all of these knives around him, and it's in the prayer candle style. That is so cute. I want it. I love that. I would get that as a tattoo. Oh my gosh. The possibilities. And that is about it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed just kind of me showing these clothes that I got. I thought that it was super fun, and I love being able to support a small business while also getting some really cool, unique items. I think it's so fun. If you guys were interested in checking out this brand, I'm gonna link their website, their Etsy site, as well as I think their Instagram. I'll link that too, just because it seems like they really like to keep pretty active on there. And yeah, I hope you guys check them out. Tell them Soft and Spooky sent you. Not sponsored though. I did not receive any of these for free or any sponsorship. This is all my own money, my own infatuation with the brand. I wanted to shout them out because they create really cool stuff. But if you guys did want to send me some stuff, like, I'll definitely take that too. Did like a Tim Robinson voice there.
That's your voice? I've never talked to him. His voice is wildly high.
If you enjoyed this style of video and you'd like to see more of it, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know. And let me know in the comments down below if you have any clothing brands that you would recommend or any sites that have like horror merchandise that I could check out, because I just love collecting this stuff. I think it's so fun. But yeah, with all that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to stay soft and spooky. Bye!